Namaskar students and welcome to the session 19th of Sharda Lipi class. This is going to be a last session and we are also we have sent you the assessment and I hope students are doing that and whatever group you are 37, 38 or 39, 40 please send those assessments, your assignments to the teacher, which is mentioned there. And before we go to next today's session, we'll just do a recitation of Panchastavi. आई पल्लव्यते परस्परयुतैः द्वित्रिक्रमाद्यक्षरैः कादेशान्तगतैः स्वरादिभिरथो शान्तैश्चितैः सस्वरैः नामानि त्रिपुरे भवन्ति खुलयाम् अत्यन्तगूढानि ते तेभ्यो वैरवपत्नीविश्रुतिः सहस्रेभ्यो परेभ्यो नमः. So just for today's session, what we will do, last session Sneha ji has covered about the few doubts or few questions from students. Today what I want to do, I want to just show you one manuscript. So this is the manuscript. I will just zoom it a little bit and then we will start reading it. And because there are lot of manuscripts available online also, and I can send few details about the links where I would suggest everybody, all the students should practice these manuscripts and then daily just try to read it. They are sometimes very difficult. This one what I have picked up is little bit easy. I think today being the last session, what I will do, I will just unmute all. Now you all can unmute, and if you have any questions or if you want to basically have some doubts, we can do that. But let us first do this. So somebody wants to volunteer for the first line. Who will do first line today?
Shall I, ji?
Yeah, what's your name?
Amrita Vashini.
Yeah, please, Amrita. Yes, go ahead. Just try to read the first line.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So I think that is right. So very important point what I should show here is, let me just try to see if this annotation can work. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. You see here, this sir has a very sharp curve here. This sir, you see this sir, it is very sharp curve. We will also see see the difference here. This is what I have been always telling in our classes also, that whenever see this and see this sir, are you seeing the difference? This is round, so is like this, and then sir, it is, even though it is here, but here it is triangle, right? So that is correct. Okay, who wants to go for the next line now? Who wants to go for the next line? Second line. This is Om, okay? Na, Namaha, right? This is Na. It is because of the ink. If you see, Na was like this, but because of the ink, the way they used to write, because they used to do with the kalam, right? That is the reason that you see that it is little bit like looking like V. V always will have a gap. V will always have a gap like this, right? So who wants to do the second line? Yeah. What's your name? Yeah, I don't get the volunteers. Can somebody tell me who wants to do the second line?
Can I do it?
Yes, what's your name?
Indra.
Yeah, please go ahead. From here you start.
Yes, sir. So it is Om Namaha,
Yes.
and then it is Sara.
It is actually Sir. Yes, it is Sir. Yes. Sarva. Sara.
Sara, and then that is it is Sa Spa.
It is ver. It is ver. Actually, in ver, sometimes in manuscript they will do like this, or sometimes they will keep it like this. So that is what it is important. We know it is like this. So it is ver also. Sometimes they can do even this way also. They can do even this way also, but this is also correct. So it is sarasva. So sarasva. Tai, I, Saraswatai. Okay, Saraswatai. It is I, even though we know that I is shown two vertical lines, but sometimes in Sharda Lipi, because there are many chains in the Lipi, sometimes they show it like Devanagari also. So it is Saraswatai. Okay, next.
It is Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha.
Where is Om Bhurvasva? No. Go from here. Saraswatai. Okay, this is after that Viram. This is Purna Viram. Next, here what is?
Then Om. It is Sa plus Dha. That is
No. It is Sri. See the R. It is Shri. It is Shri. Shri. It is. There is a complete matra here. It is like this. It is like this. It is like this. Okay. It is Shri. See, it is Shri. Shri. Then.
Sir, what is that next one?
Okay, very good. This is Kr. As I have shown, it is like example. Kr is like this. Are you able to see my mouse?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. So Kr is written like this also. Kr is written like this also. Kr, we draw. I have once told you it is this. This is also Kr. So it is Kr. Okay. Kr.
And that is it is Ya and then Na.
It is not here. It is not here. It is sure. See here. That's very good. No problem. You are not wrong. But we have to just be careful. It is sure. It is like this sure. Then it is like this. What does that mean?
It is Na.
Yes. So what does that mean?
Krishna.
Krishna. It is A. This is A matra. You are right. Very good. Krishna. Fifth. Then.
And then that is it is Lu.
No. Just see properly. This is very interesting. So even when I was reading manuscript, I used to just do one line in one day because sometimes it is very difficult. Can you guess what is this? Who wants to say that?
Is it La with Va?
No. We have learnt this.
Sir, is it Ra?
Yes, R and what is below that?
La.
No, it is like this. Okay, I will draw it, then you can tell me what I have written. I'll draw it here. So it is like this. then it is like this, 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 right? Then it is like this.
Sir, it is half ran.
Ha, ha,
Dra.
ha, ra, j, u. Correct. Ra, j, ra, ju. Krishna, ra, ju, na, a. Krishnarjuna.
Sir, it is Krishnarjuna.
Very good. Very good. Krishnarjuna. This is Krishnarjuna. Very good. Okay. This is actually, it is missing here. I think what I see here, it is like this. Here. It is bha, ya, bhyam, bhyam. Arjuna, bhyam. You see, bha, and ya. See, bada. This bha and ya. Then a matra is also there, right? There is a matra and there is bindi also. So it is bhyam. Krishna or Krishnarjuna bhyam. Okay, then this line, who wants to do? Okay, very good. Who wants to tell that?
There's last line.
This is namaha. This is namaha. This is na. This is na, ma, ha. Okay, namaha. Okay. Then this is Purna Viram. You see Purna Viram, they are showing like this, but that is fine. They are showing like this Purna Viram. But that is okay. Okay. Next, who wants to see this? Who wants to go for this third line? Don't worry, we will do one more revision. What is this? This is okay, you see, it is actually like this. It is not proper. It's not proper. I will just draw it over it. It is like this. Okay, this is okay. So Om As. What is this?
See, sir.
S and Y. Asya. Right? Asya.
Yes.
Okay, then this one.
Yeah, it is Shah and Cha, no, sir.
Very good. No, it is S and R. Here I showed you, na? Shri. Shri.
Shri.
Shri. Then what is this? This is little bit. Let me
Sir, it
draw
is
this.
Va.
No, it is not ver. It's not ver.
Bha. Bha.
Yes, it is bha. It is bha. Yes, bha. It's actually, they have shown it very closely because of the pen also. It's like this. It's bha. Okay, next. Sri bha. Bhaga. Bhagava. This is ver. See, this is ver. Where ver is very clear, right? You see this na and ver. Ver has a very good gap, right? Ver is very nicely shown that there is between gap. Okay. Bhagavat.
Bhagavad Gita.
Very good. Bhagavad Gita. See, this is ta. Bhagavad Gita. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Let me just take this thing. We'll go a little bit down. Okay. Let me just erase all these things. Good try. Are you liking this? This is a manuscript which is almost written 600 years before. This was written on not on a paper. It was written. I think I don't have that original here. We have taken a photograph. So we'll have to see what is the original of this. But in my WhatsApp links, I will send you different sources of where these manuscripts are, so that you can even download and you can try of your own also. There are very interesting manuscripts. So we were here. Okay, Bhagavad Gita. What is this now? Who wants to do? I would request some new student will tell this now. Those who have already told can basically keep quiet. The other people who are not told it yet, then let us see that. Okay. What is this? This is ma. This is simple ma. Ma la. Okay, but here you see they have put the complete Shirorekha also. So don't worry about it. Maybe this is the latest one. It's not so old manuscript. Otherwise, they generally don't add the Shirorekha on top for everything. So Bhagavad Gita Mala. Okay, Mala. Next, who wants to do this?
Mala. Mana.
Very good.
Is it R?
Manara. नहीं manara.
Okay,
Sata.
somebody was saying that. What is that?
Sir, is it R below Na?
No, no. Very good, Rai. Very good. You're doing very good. I will tell you what it is. See, first is na, right? If you see top one is na, then what is something like if I do that? Can you tell me what is this?
Matrabya.
Yeah, yes. Mantrabya, mantrabya, ma na tra and ra. It is tra. Mantra, mantra, not ba. It is sa. Mantrasya. This is
Mantrabya.
Baya है ना.
Okay, okay. Mantrabya. Okay.
No,
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 के
not
नीचे है
not
tra.
here. Mantrasya. This is sa. This is sa. Mantrasya.
नहीं स है. स है भैया.
हो गया फिर हो गया श्री श्री
Matrabya.
ठ
Mantrasya.
ठ
No, wait. Don't go here. First, let us clear this. So this was, if I have to write it,
ब
this is
वा
ma,
श्री
this is ma, then it was na,
ठकवा
ta, ra,
एव
and ya. Mantrasya.
What?
Okay, what is this? Now, next one. Who wants? Shri. Okay.
श्री
Okay.
Sir,
Shri.
Shri.
Okay. Then
श्री ठ
no, this is
ठ
bird. This is bird.
B.
Bird. This is how they do
Shri
bird.
Bhagava.
This is
Bhagava.
Bhagwa.
वा
Bhagwani.
भगवान एव भगना भगवानी
Bhagavani.
पद
AK Matra, they're showing normal, sir.
एक नीचे
Bhagwan Ved. Bhagwan
The.
Ved. This is verb and the.
भगवान
Bhagwan Ved.
Vyas.
What is
Ah.
behind na?
Sir,
Below na?
Rishi.
Where?
भगवाने प
Ved. It is Ved. It is verb. It is verb below na.
पद भगवान
Sir, the next line is Vya.
Ved. Bhagwan Ved.
Veda Vyasa.
Vya. This is correct. Ved Vyas. This is also verb, but it is not clear in this. There's a block. Ved Vyasa. Okay.
letters are not clear.
Sir, it's Rishi.
Very good. This is Rishi. Right. Very good. Let me just erase these things. Next.
That is
This is right. You're right. This is right. Then
Sure.
sir, it is like and then it is
Rishi.
no. This is Rishi. That is correct.
Rishi.
This is Rishi. Right. Rishi. Rishi. Nu. See, this is nu. Na and u. Right? Anu. Okay.
Shit.
Sh.
Anisht.
Sh.
Anisht. Sure.
Sh. This is sh. Right?
Sure.
Shirt. Anushtaha. 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 Right. Anushtaha.
नीचे.
Anushtaha. Anushta. This is pa, cha.
नहीं pa cha.
Pa, cha. Very good.
Pachana.
Achandaha. Right.
Chandaha.
Ah,
Understood.
Next is Shri.
Letters are so closely written, which I can understand.
Actually, it is Anushtu, right? Anushtup Chandaha.
right, you're right. Anushtuh Chandaha, right. Anushtuh Chandaha. I don't know what is, whether this is. Snehaji, can you just see what is this one?
Which one, Rakesh ji?
This one, Anushtu.
That is Anushtup Chandaha.
Oh, this is church, right.
Anushtup
Church.
Cha.
It is
Anushtup
ch and
Cha.
ch. It is ch and ch. Actually, it's not clear here in this. It is like this.
That's
Anushtup
Pa and Cha.
Chandaha.
It is Anushta Chandaha.
First Pa and Cha.
Yes, Anushta Chanda, right. Anushta Chanda, Sri, what is this? What is this now? Sri Krishna.
Sir, Krishna.
Very good. Next.
Paramatma Devata.
Paramatma Devata. Very good. Paramatma Devata.
Devata.
Paramatma Devata, right? See, this manuscript is very old. It is digitized by E. Gangotri. You see, they would have taken some manuscript and digitized it, and this is taken from some museum. So, but this was a very good manuscript. This is also
Amrit.
Aso.
Asho, right? Asho Chaya, Cha, Asho Chaya, Asho Chaya,
Ashocaya. Acha. Ashocaya.
Na and sir, what is it below na?
Na not tha. Nahi, na tha hai.
Ga, na, ra.
It is not clear.
Sir, what is below
Visible.
na?
Visible properly.
1 minute, let me just see.
Overlapping. Letters are. None. Shame. Shame.
This is little bit flawed. There is, I think, we need somebody who knows Sanskrit to understand this. But Shechaha, Sattva. This is Sattva. See here, if you see, this is very interesting. This one, how it is written like this. Let me draw it. And then V. V is shown like this. It is Sattvam. Sattvam. Ja. It is J and J. It is top J and below J. Actually, J is shown like this in this.
Sattvam Praja. Sattvam Praja.
Praja.
After
Praja.
and what is it?
Where?
That is actually Nanva. That is Nanva.
Nanva.
Nanva Sho Cha Sat.
Very good. Okay.
Yadam.
Two no.
Sir, Va.
Satya.
No. This is not V. This is Sha. I think this looks. This is Ya. Ya, Dam. D,
Adam.
Then this is Shacha, Ba, Sh, Ba, Sh. This is Sh. This is S. This is S. Then this is, what is this? What is this?
That is La and then like
No. Why? This is E. See here, it is E. This is E. Iti. Iti. This is Iti. Bijam. See how J they have written it. Sometimes they are different styles. It is Iti Bijam. Okay, what is this?
that is server.
Very good. Sarva.
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 No.
Dharma.
Dharma.
Yes.
Sarva Dharma.
Sarva Dharma. Right.
It is then
it is
Verb.
Na,
Sarvana.
pa and ba.
Where?
the next one.
Next one is na.
Sir, the second word in the last line.
Pa pa na pa tha.
Ah,
Na
na,
pa
Na, pa.
pa.
I don't know whether this is also
Ba.
there. It looks like this. Then re.
Yes, sir. Nap.
This no. This is the and year. The and year. Nitya, ja and year. Jaya. Nitya Jaya. Okay.
Nitya.
Nitya
Sir,
Jaya.
can you see what is that like that ulta? Yes, sir. There, the last one.
सारा उल्टा ही लग रहा है.
Which one?
Sir, after the that last one after
Last
the
time.
Iti.
Nitya.
Iti.
sir, not that one, sir. Like the last one. The last.
This is the and year. This is the and year. Then this is ja. This is ja. How we have drawn it? We used to do like this. Ja,
Oh, yeah.
ja, ja,
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
Ja.
Ritya ja.
Ja.
Napra riti ja. But when we do that, whenever we do any transcription, this is called transcription. Means what we are doing, we are not changing the meaning. We are writing. We are just, if we have to do this, I will write this na. This is called transcription. So whenever we do, don't try to make as in beginner. Don't try to make words right from the beginning. If you know it, then okay. Just otherwise, just separate it. Just write this separate, this separate, this separate, and then you complete one line. And then you try to make words, because sometimes if you don't know Sanskrit, there can be mistakes. So just for beginning, just try to do just like this. We used to conduct advanced our classes also, where basically we give trainings on these manuscripts. We will conduct that maybe after 1 or 2 months if students are interested. And in that we also give you the manuscript for practicing one by one line, just one line every day. You don't have, and also because these manuscripts are sometimes very challenging, because the way they are written, they're very old. They were stored in somewhere, then somebody has taken a picture of it. If you see here, the inks are also blotted. So there are a lot of challenges, but if you can basically practice it and every day, then it becomes very easy to read these manuscripts. Also, because Sanskrit reading is also important. Sanskrit, we should know Sanskrit to understand these manuscripts. Also, that is another very important point. If we do not know Sanskrit, we may do this Sharda Lipi to Devanagari or whatever. But knowing Sanskrit will help us also to make words. Like some things is not making, like if I don't know Sanskrit, I would read this as, where was this? That was somewhere here. Let me just show you that.
Sir, in my school, I even have a subject, Sanskrit.
Very good.
I have.
Yeah, so that is the reason that Sanskrit knowing is important. So because you are already doing it, I will also send few links where you can basically take some manuscripts. And if you have any questions, you can ask us, because I think that today's class, I just wanted to show you this manuscript and give you just little bit about these whatever manuscripts are. And yes, do practice, and also keep in touch with our team, whether on social media or through emails. You can have our email IDs. Also, you can send us email, or you can even WhatsApp. You have all the teachers who were admins in the WhatsApp, and you can ask anytime any questions. And also, if you want to support us for learning, you want to, whatever you have learned, not for I don't recommend that for students who are in school, but those who are working, especially above 25, or if they are not into academics, and if they want to help us in teaching it further, or they want to support us in any other ways like the social media or whatever, if you want to volunteer with our teams, do basically send us the emails definitely and tell us how do you want to support us, how can you basically be part of our team. Definitely you are our team is like, if you learn Sharda Lipi, you already become member of our team, so there is no other qualification needed. So any person who knows Sharda Lipi is a member of Core Sharda team, so that is default. So there is no ambiguity on that. That is how our team has grown, but we have to grow it more. We have to spread this more. More students should learn this, and if we have seen it, it is not so difficult script also. Let me just show you another thing. 1 minute, I can show you that.
Sir, if you can you send it like any other manuscript in the WhatsApp?
Yeah, I will send it. Yes.
Sir, and also like can you send any other reference materials, sir?
I will do that. So let me just show you another thing. If students want to practice, this is our Sharda Lipi font. This is, if you just search on Google Sharda font, Sati Sir font, this is the Sharda font here. And here there is basically you can also basically, there is lot of training materials here. You can download the keyboard, and there is a practice here. You see here, it is also giving you lot of shlokas. And suppose you want to practice of your own, like editor, like let me just show you here. This is a very good tool. Let me just show you that. Like example, I'll show. So example I'm telling you, suppose I take any Devanagari word here. Okay, this is a very beautiful tool developed by our team. Okay, let me just see. It gives completely Sharda Lipi on this. Okay, and then you can, there is a lot of basically greetings and other things. We use the same tool here. You can generate a PDF of it. You can take a picture, send it to your this thing. Not only that, you can type it also. You can directly type on Sharda Lipi. There is a Sharda keyboard. For that, you have to download this Akshar Mukha keyboard here. I don't have it here on this computer. But if you have, you can but this is only right now on a computer. It is not on the mobile. So for mobile application, I think it will take before end of this year. Probably in November, we will have a mobile app also, where directly you can basically write.
Sir, but I tried the link on mobile, sir. I got it.
Oh, you got it? No, that is one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, okay. But there is another app coming, which is basically which is coming up, which we are doing. Our team is working on that. So that will come very, very soon. So you see here, and there are very good practice things here in this. If you want to learn, see like example, some basic alphabets are there. If some small children want to learn, you can show it to them. And there are some here practice sessions, memorize, like example, easy. This is so then you will have to basically, it also gives you, there are some basically a beautiful thing. So these alphabets, what basically are there, go through this website and then try to do this. Another, we have our website is shardalipi.com. So this is our website. We generally put all the announcement there, and also all these information, all our YouTube materials, all the reference materials will be there. So this is our website here, and this is also about the Sharda font, which I was telling you. These are the books So if
And also, if we download the Sharda font in the computer, like how to type in the computer, sir? Because if
it will populate another keyboard with which only you have to type it.
Sir, but in mobile we no need to download the keyboard.
Yeah, yes, mobile no need to do that, but there is mobile, we are getting a better app which is coming up. Yeah, so we have, so those things are there. So this is our website. This is our self-learning. If you want, all the videos are there. These are some projects what we take. Like example, I was talking to you about the manuscript, right? So these are some manuscripts. You can see those things how we have done it. Let me just show you a few. See here. See, this is some manuscript work which the students have done. They have written this based on the Satisar font only. They have done this. So complete this. They have written it. There are other things also in this manuscript. 1 minute. Let me just show you that. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just show this one. See here. This was an original manuscript. Then this is how our team has done it, one by one line. See, first, this is a shloka. This is what they have done. They have taken a picture of it, then divided it for each line. This is line 1. This is line 2. This is Devanagari. How they have made a word. Each and every word. If you have any, like, this is a practice, so you can see how they have done it. What word was what exactly? This is what they have done. And then finally, at the end, they will also write what is this. See, this was what they have done it. And similarly for all the pages they have done this. And later, this gets published as a document, or anybody who wants basically to read it, because there are a lot of projects which we are taking, because there were a lot of manuscript which nobody knew what is there. So our team is basically working on it. There is the Raksha Mantra, Prana Pratishtha, Godavari Mahatmya. So all these manuscripts which our team has worked, we have uploaded it, and they are all, there is nothing there. Everybody can anytime download them and then see those things. There are few artworks. This is what I was talking about you, like whenever, because now you have learned Sharda Lipi, try to share some artworks with you. I will just show you this. See, these are all beautiful, beautiful greeting cards which students have done. You also can do something like this, something of their own. This is also one person, one student has drawn this complete Aksharmala. So you see this, all these beautiful greeting cards are developed, designed by students. So something like this, every festival or every occasions, you can also share it with your friends, so that there is a popularity. There is also, people will come to know that yes, this is a Lipi, which is basically they have to learn it. And yes, it's a very good thing. So see this beautifully, very, very nicely written. So there are a lot of things in this website. So go through this website, and yes, and anything is there. You can also, there is a contact us if you have any details. 1 minute. So you can just write an emails to us. This directly comes to us, and this is what is the overall training, which was all about. I think we have completed. Next week we will send give the certificates. The certificates will be issued on WhatsApp only. We will send the details soon. We are preparing those, because tomorrow, Monday, is the last day for the submissions. After that, we will start issuing the certificate for all the students. And yes, I think that is all I had. Any students wants to share anything, or I will stop my sharing now. We are done with the class, and yes, thanks students. Thanks for your participation. It was wonderful, wonderful journey for this 19 sessions together. And I hope you will, whatever you have learned, you will talk to your friends, and also especially for the students of Jai Gopal Gorodia. I think we have a lot of students there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so please convey this to your principal ma'am also and your teachers that yes, we have completed the course, and convey the thanks also to them that they gave us the opportunity for teaching it. I hope this was a wonderful journey. Share your experiences. If somebody wants to write anything about it, because children are somebody can write a poem, somebody can do a drawing, somebody can write an article. Do share it with us. I can also on our you can basically send us on email, and also you can also send it through WhatsApp, or you have the contact details. Send us those details. We will definitely share it with everybody. And yes, that is all I had. Snehaji also, yes, big thanks to Snehaji also. In fact, this was the first time she was also taking the
Yes,
class.
yes. Thanks to all the students. You have all cooperated in a good way, and I request everyone to submit the assignment so that you can get your certificates.
Sir, will all of them get? Will all of us will be getting the certificates?
Yeah, for that you have to send that assessment, whatever we have given, you just submit it, then we will give you the certificates. Yes.
Okay, sir. Today I'll do it and I'll send it to Snehaji.
Okay,
Great.
sure, sure.
Good. Okay, I think that's all, students. And who wants to do the
Sir,
Shanti
can
Path?
I do the Shanti Pata today?
Yeah, please, please. Yes.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः धन्यवाद सर
Thank
and
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. May God Sharda bless you all. And thank you very much, students.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you all.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.